Hello everyone. In this chapter, we are going to learn about perimeter and area of the plane figure. But in this topic, we are going to only focus on the triangle shape. So let us understand triangles. Triangles in detail. So there are three types of triangle. One is acute angle triangle. Second is right angle triangle. And third is obtuse angle triangle. Or you can say equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Let's say this is an equilateral triangle which has all sides equal, isosceles triangle which has two sides equal, and scalene triangle whose all three sides are unequal. So this we say as equilateral triangle. This is an isosceles triangle and this is a scalene triangle. So most important part is you should know height and the base of a triangle to find area. So for equilateral triangle, altitude always divides the base. Same procedure with the isosceles triangle. Vertex from where two equal sides join will bisect the base. These two sides will be equal. So area of triangle will be half into base into height. That everyone knows this formula. Now if we have scalene triangle like this, where we have A, B and C, all three sides are unequal. So here to find the area of this, if we don't know the height and the base, and we only know, if we know height and the base, we can easily find area using half BH. But if you don't know height, then we can find area using Heron's formula. So for that, you have to first find semi-perimeter, that is S. S is semi-perimeter. Let me write it down. Which is as semi-perimeter means perimeter is sum of all sides divided by 2. Then you can find area of triangle using this formula, square root of S, that is semi-perimeter, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. This is the formula for area of triangle when three sides are known. Now I will write specific formula for area of triangle, area of equilateral triangle. When we have equilateral triangle, either you can find uh, area by half BH, you can find height using Pythagoras theorem, or you can even find by Heron's formula, but that methods will be lengthy. Instead of all that, we can just apply area of equilateral triangle का formula, that is root 3 by 2 into side square, where A is the side. If you see, A is the side of equilateral triangle. Even we can find height of equilateral triangle by taking formula as root 3 by, sorry, this is root 3 by 4, it's not 2, this is root 3 by 4 and this is root 3 by 2 side. You have to remember these four formulas to learn this topic. Write it down all formulas in your notebook. Then we will proceed with the first question. In first question we have area of, find the area of triangle whose base, So always write information given in the question. Base is 15 centimeter and its corresponding height. What does corresponding height means? I will tell you. Height is 9.6 centimeter. See, if you consider a triangle, there are three sides of a triangle. Every side has its own base. So if we are considering AD as a height, so its corresponding base will be BC. But when you consider BM as the height, its corresponding base will be AC. And when you consider height as CN, then its corresponding base will be AB. So every height has its corresponding base and every base has its corresponding height. So when they say corresponding height, corresponding base and corresponding height means it's related to a perpendicular shape. So now we have to find area of triangle. As we all know, base and height is given. So area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So half into base is 15 and height is 9.6. If you just cancel out 2 and 9.6, you will get 4.8. So we can write it down as 15 into 4.8, which is equal to 72 centimeter square. So unit of the area is always centimeter square, meter square, and so on. Second question में again we have to find area of triangle whose base is 24 centimeter and height is 15 centimeter. So we will write base is equal to 24 centimeter, height is equal to 15 centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to half into base, that is 24 into 15. Just cancel out 2 ones are 2 12s are, that is 12 into 15, which is 180 centimeter square. Third, find the area of triangle whose sides are 13 centimeter, 14 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Also find the height of a triangle corresponding to the longest side. So first let us make a small diagram. ABC, in which one of the side is 13 centimeter, another side is 14 centimeter and last side is 15 centimeter. So we have to find area of triangle. Here we have scale and triangle. Scale and triangle में all three sides are given. So first we will mention कि A is equal to 13 centimeter, B is equal to 14 centimeter, C is equal to 15 centimeter. So we can find semi-perimeter, that is S, which is A plus B plus C upon 2. So that is 13 plus 14 plus 15 upon 2. Add all of them, 13, 14, 29, 32, 42 upon 2. That is 21 centimeter. Now we will write area of triangle का formula. Area of triangle, that is root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So you will get S is 21 centimeter, 21 minus 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15. Just put all values in it. Here you will get 21 into 21 minus 13 is 8, 21 minus 14 is 7, into 21 minus 15 is 6. So now instead of multiplying everything, what we will do, we will just break it into the prime factorization form. 7 into 2 into 8 into 7 into 6. 6 को you can write 3 2s are 6. This is 7 into 3. Sorry. 8 को we can break it down. Wait, let me break it down into further part. 7 into 3 into 2 into 4 into 7 into 2 into 3. Now we have two sevens का pair in the square root, so we can write 7. Then we have 3, so we can write 3. Then if you will see 4 is itself a square number, so you can take a root of 4. And again lastly we have 2 and 2 ka one pair, so we can write into 2. So 7 3 is a 21 into 4, which is 84 centimeter square. Now we have to find area, find the height of a triangle corresponding to the longest side. So here longest side is 15, so we will draw a height whose base is 15 centimeter. So we know area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So we'll put area as 54. Area won't change. Into base is 15. Into height we have to find. So we can just cross multiply 84 into 2 upon 15 is equal to h. Cancel out 3 5s are 3 28s are 28 into 2. So therefore h is equal to 28. 8 to the 16, 156 upon 5, that is 11.2 centimeter. Hope this question is totally clear. Have a look at it. Question 4th, almost same type question. We have to find area of triangle whose three side is given. So we can say A is equal to 42 centimeter, B is equal to 34 centimeter, C is equal to 20 centimeter. So first we will find semi perimeter, that is A plus B plus C. 42 plus 34 plus 20 divided by 2. Add all of them. 96 by 2, that is 48 centimeter. Then we can say area of triangle, that is formula we already know, S, then S minus A, S semi perimeter minus B, again semi perimeter minus C. We can say area of triangle is equal to 48 into 48 minus 42 is 6, into 48 minus 34 is 14, into 48 minus 28 is 48 minus 20 is 28. Now break everything into the prime factor form. Area of triangle is equal to 48 ko we can write 8 into 6. 6 4s are just break 6 into 4, 24, 24 2s are 48, into 6 again, into 2 into 7, into 4 into 7. Now we can see we have 2 6 in the square root, so that will be equal to 6. We have 4 ka 2 pairs, so into 4 we have 2 and 2 also, 2 times 2, then into 7. 6 4s are 24 into 14, that is 336 centimeter square. Once you get area, you can find height corresponding to the longest side. Again, we are taking height corresponding to the longest. इसमें longest side is 42. So we can say area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Area of triangle is, we already got 336 is equal to half into base is 42 into height we have to find 2 ones are 221. So therefore height is equal to 336 upon 21. Just cancel out. Let's see what you are getting, which is equal to 16 centimeter. Calculate and check your answer. Question 5th. Again same pattern question. Find the area of triangle whose sides are 30 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 18 centimeter respectively. So A is equal to 30 centimeter, B is equal to 24 centimeter, C is equal to 18 centimeter. Also find the length of the altitude corresponding to its smallest side. So we can first find semi-perimeter, that is 30 plus 24 plus 18 divided by 2, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72 divide by 2, that is 36 centimeter. Once you get semi-perimeter, you can find area of triangle by taking formula, which is S, that is 36, 36 minus 30, 36 minus 24, 36 minus 18. 36 into 6 into 12 into 18. So that can be written as this is 6 into 6, then 6 into 6 into 2, 18 is 2 into 9. We had just broken into some simplest factor, so that this 2 6 and 2 6 forms a square term. So 6 into 6 into 2 and 9 ka square root is 3. So therefore area of triangle is equal to 36 into 6, which is 216 centimeter square. Once you get area, we can find altitude corresponding to the smallest side. Here smallest side represents 18 centimeter. So we can write area is 216, that is equal to half into base is 18 into height h. We can cancel out 2 ones are 2 nines are. So therefore h is equal to 216 upon 9, that is 24 centimeter. Last my statement is must. You can write down the statement. The length of the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 3 is to 4 is to 5. If perimeter is 144, find the area of triangle. So here first we will take, let common multiple be x. Is equal to x. So sides are 3x. So we can say a is equal to 3x. Therefore we will get a is equal to 3x, b is equal to 4x and c is equal to 5x. So perimeter is given as 144. So add all sides, 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 144. 9, 10, 11, 12, x is equal to 144. So therefore x is equal to 12. So therefore we can find all sides. Therefore a is equal to 3 into 12, that is 36 centimeter. B is equal to 4 into 12, that is 48 centimeter. and C is 5 into 12, that is 60 centimeter. Now we need semi-perimeter, so we can find semi-perimeter S, that is total perimeter, that is A plus B plus C, which will give you 144. We already know perimeter is 144 upon 2, that is 72 centimeter. If you want, you can just add up all sides also. Now area of triangle is equal to square root of 72 into 72 minus 36 into 72 minus 48 into 72 minus 60. That will give you 72 into 72 minus 36 is 36. 72 minus 48 is 24 into 12. So breaking up into 72 को you can write 36 into 2. 36 we already have. इसको 12 into 2 we can do, and 12 we already have. Now 36 we can take out into 2 into 12. Multiplying all terms, 36 into 24, you will get 864 centimeter square. Here we get area of triangle. Next question is of same pattern. Perimeter of triangular field is 540 meter and its sides are in the ratio of 25:7:12. Find the area of triangle. Also find the cost of cultivating the field at a rate of 24.60 rupees per 100 meter square. So we will say again, let sides of triangle be 25x, 17x and 12x, such that 25x plus 17x plus 12x, that is equal to 540. 25 plus 17, 19, 20, 54x is equal to 540. So therefore x is equal to 10. So now we can say, therefore A is equal to 25 into 10, which is 250 centimeter. B is equal to 17 into 10, that is 170 centimeter. C is equal to 12 into 10, that is 120 centimeter. Now we need to find area. So therefore for that we will find semi-perimeter is 540, perimeter upon 2. Semi means half of the perimeter, that is 270 centimeter. Now we will find area of triangle. Area of triangle is equal to square root of 270 minus 250, 270 minus 170 and 270 minus 120. We will get 270 into 20 into 100 into 150. Now let us break it down. See, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Okay, so what we will do, this 2 into 15 is 30, 30 into 27 is 810, and we have how many zeros over here? Let's count and write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros more. I will just put 5 zeros more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो इसका स्क्वायर रूट you will get as 81 का स्क्वायर रूट is 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so 3 zeros. Centimeter, sorry, meter square. We got now area. So now 100 meters square cost rupees 24.60 for cultivation. So we can do unitary method. So 9,000 meters square cost question mark. So therefore cost is equal to 9,000 into 24.60 upon 100. So 0 will get cancelled. You will get answer as 90 into 24.6, that is equal to rupees 2214, 2214 rupees. You can just multiply and check your answer. Area of triangle is 216 centimeters square and its sides are in the ratio of 3:4:5. Find perimeter of triangle. So we can select sides of a triangle be 3x, 4x and 5x. So area is, to find area we have to first find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter is 3x plus 4x plus 5x divided by 2. 3 plus 4 7, 7 12, 12x by 2, that is 6x. Area of triangle is, we can take 6x, that is S, 6x minus 3x, 6x minus 4x and 6x minus 5x. Area of triangle is given as 216, which is equal to square root of 6x multiply by 3x. This part is multiplied by 2x and then multiply by x. So 216 is equal to 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, x raised to 4. We have x into x into x into x. So taking square root of this, you will get 216 is equal to 6x square. So therefore x square equal to 36, x equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 हो गया. Now we will find length of sides. तो length of side में we can write 3x को 3 into 6, 6 3s are 18 centimeter. 4x, that is 4 into 6, that is 24 centimeter. 5x, that is 5 into 6, which is 30 centimeter. Now perimeter. Perimeter of triangle, that is 18 plus 24 plus 30. 18, 24, 54, 62, 72 centimeter. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its altitude. So let altitude, this is FIELD, let altitude be x. So therefore base is equal to 3 times altitude. If the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 38 per hectare is rupees 513. So now you have to remember 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. So we can see now if 1 hectare cost rupees 38 and the total cost is rupees 513. So what is the area? So we can find area. So therefore area is equal to 513 into 1 cross multiply upon 38, that is equal to 13.5 hectare. So therefore we can say area is equal to 13.5 into 10,000. We have to convert into square meter, which is standard unit. 135,000 meter square. Now we can take height and base ka formula. As we know, altitude is x and base is 3x. So we can say area is half into base into height is equal to 13,135,000. So half into base is 2x, sorry 3x into x is equal to 135,000. So therefore we can say 3 by 2 x square is equal to 135,000. So therefore x square is equal to 135,000 into 2 upon 3. We can cancel out 3 ones are 3, 45s are 45 twos are 90. So therefore x is equal to 300. Therefore we can write altitude is equal to 300 meter, while base is 3 into 300, which is equal to 900 meter. Question 10th. The base of a triangular field is twice its altitude. So let altitude be x. So therefore base is equal to 2x. Now if the cost of cultivating the field is rupees 14.50 per 100 meter square, 100 meters square, cost of 100 meter square is rupees 14.50. So what is, if the total cost is rupees 52,200, so what is the total area? So we will find total area. So therefore area is equal to 100 into 52,200 upon 14.50. So just remove decimal and cancel out. You will get 33,000 3,60,000 meters square. So now area ko we can write half into base is 2x into altitude is x, which is equal to 360000. We can cancel out 2 and 2. So therefore x square is equal to 36000. So therefore x is equal to 600. So now altitude is x, which is equal to 600 meter. Base is 2x, which is equal to 2 into 600, which is equal to 1200 meter. Calculate the area and the height of an equilateral triangle whose perimeter is 60. As we know, equilateral triangle has all sides equal. Let us say all sides equal to a centimeter. So we can say perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 into side. So 60 is equal to 3a. So therefore a is equal to 20 centimeter. So we got value of a. Now we need to find area. So area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So we can just substitute value of a, that is root 3 by 4 into 20 square, that is 20 into 20. So after cancelling out, we can say area is equal to root 3 की value we can substitute. First, so we will get 10 and 10 cancelling. So 100 root 3, that is equal to 100 into 1.732. You have to memorize the value of root 3. The root 3 is always 1.732, and if you get root 2, that is 1.414. Just put value up to 3 decimal place. Do not round it off. That is 173.2 centimeters square. Now we have to again find the height. तो height के लिए we can write height formula for height of the equilateral triangle. Height of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 2 into side into a. So therefore h is equal to root 3 is, we can keep root 3 as of now. Root 3 by 2 into side is 20 centimeters, so that will give you 10 root 3. We can write 10 into 1.732, that is 17.32 centimeter. So we get a value of height as well as area. Calculate the area of an equilateral triangle whose height is 6 centimeter. Whose height is 6 centimeter. तो पहले with height h is given as 6 centimeter, so we can write h is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. So therefore we can get 6 is equal to root 3 by 2a. So therefore a is equal to 6 to the 12 upon root 3. You had learned how to rationalize the denominator, root 3 upon root 3. So therefore side is 12 root 3 by 3, that will comes out to be 4 root 3 centimeter. Do not put value of root 3 as of now, we will find it later on. We need area, so we can write area of equilateral triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So that will give you root 3 by 4 into 4 root 3 whole square. So that can be written as root 3 by 4 into 4 square is 16 and root 3 square is 3. Cancel out. So therefore area is equal to 4 3 is 12 root 3, that is 12 into 1.732, which is equal to 20.784 centimeter square. Find the perimeter and area of an equilateral triangle whose height is given. Again same pattern question. Here we have to find perimeter also. So first what we will do, we will just write height formula for height. Height is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. So therefore height is 12 centimeter, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into side. So therefore 12 to the 24 upon 2 is equal to a. So we can write a is equal to 24 divided by 2. we can multiply it, sorry, 24 by root 3. I did mistake. Now we can rationalize it. So 24 root 3 by 3, 3 8 are 8 root 3 centimeter. We got side, we have to find perimeter is equal to 3a, because equilateral triangle has all sides equal, so a plus a will give you 3a. 3 into 8 root 3, that is 24 root 3. So therefore perimeter is equal to 24 into 1.732, which will, after calculating, you will get 41.57 centimeter. Now next part is area. Area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. So that is root 3 by 4 into side, we can write it as 8 root 3 whole square. So therefore area is root 3 by 4 into 8 ka square is 64 into root 3 square is 3. Cancel out 4 ones are 4, 16s are 16 threes are 48. 48 root 3. So therefore area is equal to 48 into root 3 की value is 1.732, that is 83.136 centimeter square. You can round it off to 2 decimal place as it is given in the question. Area is equal to 83.14 centimeter square. Calculate area of equilateral triangle of side 12 centimeter, correct to 2 decimal place, and height correct to 1 decimal place. So already we have side, we can write A is equal to 12 centimeter. So directly we will put formula for area of equilateral triangle. Is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So therefore area is equal to root 3 by 4 into 12 square. So that is root 3 by 4 into 12 square is 144. We can cancel out 4 ones are 4 threes are 4 6 are. That is 36 into area of triangle is equal to 36 root 3, that is 36 into 1.73. To multiply it, you will get 62.352, which can be rounded off to 62.35 centimeter square. Now we have to find height. Height of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 2 side, that is equal to root 3 by 2 into side is 12. So therefore h is equal to, you will get 6 root 3, 6 into, just put value 1.732, 10.392. We have to round it off to 1 decimal. So therefore height is equal to 10.4 centimeter. Find the area of if the area of equilateral triangle is 81 root 3, find its perimeter. So directly you can put formula for area of equilateral triangle. that is root 3 by 4 into side square. So this will give you 81 root 3 is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So therefore root 3 will get cancelled. A square is equal to 81 into 4. So therefore A is equal to 9 into 2, that is 18 centimeter. Now perimeter is 3 times sides. So that is 3 into 18, which is equal to 54 centimeter. That was quite easy question. Find the length of the hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle. So if we say isosceles right angle triangle, the two sides forming right angles are equal. Isosceles means two sides forming right angle triangles are equal. This is called isosceles right angle triangle. Its area is given as 200 centimeter square and we have to find its hypotenuse. So if we will consider triangle ABC, we can take angle A, we can take side AB is equal to side BC. So we'll say let consider triangle ABC such that AB is equal to BC and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So now we can say let these two equal sides be x and x. That you can write it down now as per the formula for area of triangle. What you will say, area of triangle is equal to half into base x into x, height is x, 200 is area, which is equal to half into x, so therefore x square is equal to 400, so therefore x is equal to 20. Once you get x, we can say therefore AB is 20 centimeter, BC is also 20 centimeter. So we will use Pythagoras theorem. So hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BC square. You can write Pythagoras theorem. So therefore we can write h square is equal to 20 square plus 20 square. So h square is equal to 400 plus 400, which is equal to 800. So h is equal to root of 800, which can be written as 400 into 2, that is 20 root 2 centimeter. As root 2 value is given, 20 into 1.414, so that is 28.28 centimeter. Question 17. Area of isosceles right angle triangle is given. So let us make isosceles right angle triangle whose perpendicular sides are equal and hypotenuse we have to find. Let us consider triangle ABC. We can write, because in question they are not given which triangle they are talking about. Consider triangle ABC such that AB is equal to BC is equal to, let's say, x, and angle B is equal to 90 degree. So we can say as per the formula for area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So that is 72 is equal to half into x. So therefore x square is equal to 144. So therefore x is equal to 12 centimeter. Once you get x, we can find hypotenuse by considering Pythagoras theorem. H square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We can write reason Pythagoras theorem. So therefore h square is equal to AB is 12 square plus 12 square. So h square is equal to 144 plus 144, that is equal to 288. So therefore h is equal to square root of 288. That can be written as 144 into 2, that is 12 root 2 centimeter. So therefore height is equal to 12 into 1.414 multiplied 16.968, that is equal to 16.97 centimeter. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle. Here they had not given right angle triangle. They had just given isosceles triangle. So we can make any isosceles, any triangle whose two sides are equal. We can take ABC if you want, whose two sides are equal, x and x. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is x and its base is 1.5 times the equal side. So equal sides is x, so we can say base is equal to 1.5 x, that is equal to 3 by 2 x. Now perimeter के लिए we will add all sides, x plus 3 by 2 x is equal to 42. 2x plus 3 by 2x is equal to 42. 2 to the 4x plus 3x by 2 is equal to 42. So therefore 7x is equal to 42 into 2. X is equal to 42 into 2 upon 7. 7 ones are 7, 6 are. 6 twos are 12. 12 centimeters. So once you get x, you can easily find the sides. So therefore x is equal to 12 centimeter, which is length of the equal side. You can just mention, therefore length of equal sides are, therefore first part may be 1, length of equal side is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we want area, so we will find base also. Base is equal to 3 by 2 into 12. 2 ones are 2, 6 are 6 threes are 18 centimeter. Now second part may we want area. The area we can either find by finding out height first. The height can be found out using Pythagoras theorem. So let us find height first. We will draw AM perpendicular to BC. We can first find third part, height wala, such that PM is equal to CM is equal to 18 by 2, that is 9 centimeter. So this we have 9 centimeter, length is 12 centimeter. So let's see what we are getting height. So let us use Pythagoras theorem. In triangle AMB, AB square, that is 12 square, is equal to 9 square plus h square. This is Pythagoras. One 44 minus 81 is equal to h square. So therefore h is equal to 144 minus 81. Let us find its prime factor also. That is 63. H square is equal to 63, so therefore H is equal to root of 63, that is 9 into 7, so 3 root 7 centimeter. So therefore H को you can write 3 into root 7 की value, again you have to find by long division method that you had learned in 9th standard or 8th standard, that you can find root 7 की value. It is somewhere like this, 7.000000. So we can say 2 2s are 4, make up pairs of 2 to 2 2s are 4. This subtraction here we are adding, this will become 4. 3, put decimal, 2 zeros, 46 into 6. Let's check. You should take a number such that this two digits should be equal. 276 plus minus, and it goes on to number as 646. You can just keep taking. So height is equal to 2.646, which is equal to 7.938. That is equal to 7.94 centimeter. Now we can find second part, area of triangle is equal to half into base is 18 into height is 3 root 7, or you can take 7.94 also if you want. 9, so 9 3s are 27 into root 7 is 2.646, that will give you 71.44 centimeters square. Second way of doing is, when you get length of equal side and base, so you can find area using the Heron's formula. Once you get area, you can use height to find height. Either you can use Pythagoras theorem as we did, or you can use area of triangle ka formula. In both cases you will get same answer. Perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 42 centimeter. Base is 1.5 times the equal sides. Find the length of each side of a triangle, area of triangle, and height of a triangle. Actually, this sum has been repeated. 18th. We have to do 19th question. Base of an isosceles triangle is 24. Area is 192. You have to find its perimeter. So let us draw an isosceles triangle in which AB is equal to AC. We can draw height. We can take AM. The base is given, area is given, so we can use area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So area of triangle is 192, that is equal to half into base. Base is BC, that is 24, into height H. So therefore 192 is equal to 12H. So therefore H is equal to 192 upon 12. So you can get, so therefore height is equal to 12 ones are 12, 72, 12 6 are 72 centimeter. Now BC is given as 24 centimeter, so BM can be written as 12 centimeter and height is 16 centimeter. So we can say AM is perpendicular. Actually I had taken D, so I will take D over here. AD is perpendicular to BC. So therefore BD is equal to DC is equal to 12 centimeter. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say AB square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square. Pythagoras theorem. So AB square is equal to 256 plus 144, that is equal to 400. So therefore AB is equal to 20 centimeter. So we can say AB is equal to BC is equal to 20 centimeter. So therefore perimeter is sum of all sides. Perimeter of triangle is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. AB is 20, BC is 24, AC is 20. 64 centimeter. You have to find its perimeter. Question 20. Base of an isosceles triangle is 18 centimeter. Let us draw. Here also we have to find same thing. We will consider triangle ABC as an equilateral triangle in which AB and AC are equal sides. So first we will take area of triangle, that is area is equal to half into base into height. So therefore we will get 9h cancelling out this part. 2 ones are 2 nines are. 9h is equal to 108. Therefore h is equal to 12. Height is 12 centimeter. If you draw height, you will get this as 12 centimeter. AD is the base and this you get as 9 centimeter. We can say draw AD perpendicular to BC. So therefore BD is equal to DC is equal to 9 centimeter. We will consider a triangle, right angle triangle, this triangle. In triangle BDC, angle D is 90 degree. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say AB square is equal to 12 square plus 9 square, that is equal to 144 plus 81, which is equal to 225. So therefore AB is equal to 15 centimeter. So we need to find perimeter of triangle. So therefore I can say AC is also 15 centimeter. Perimeter is 15 plus BC 18, 30, 40, 40. This is an isosceles triangle, so from 30, 40, 48 centimeter. So here we did wrong. So perimeter will be 15 plus 18, that is 30, 40, 48 centimeter. Find the area of triangle, isosceles triangle, each of whose equal side is 13 centimeter and base is 24 centimeter. So we will consider triangle in which AB is 13 centimeter, AC is also 13 centimeter and BC is 24 centimeter. Here you can find either by making an altitude, finding height by Pythagoras theorem, and then you can use half into base into height, or you can even use Heron's formula directly as three sides is known. I will just write, make a altitude, draw AD perpendicular to BC, so that BD is equal to DC is equal to 12 centimeter. So this is what height we will consider in triangle ADB. 13 square is equal to h square plus 12 square. Pythagoras theorem, as this is 12 centimeter, so 169 minus 144 is equal to h square. So therefore h square is equal to 25. So therefore h is equal to 5 centimeter. So we get h key value 5 centimeter, which is height. Now area of triangle, half into base is 24 into height is 5. That is 12 into 5, which is equal to 60 centimeter square. Perimeter of a right angle triangle is 60 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. You have to find the area of triangle. So we will consider one triangle, one right angle triangle ABC. Consider right angle triangle ABC such that angle B is 90 degree and AC is 25 centimeter. They say perimeter is 60 centimeter. So let us say one side as X and another side unknown. So perimeter 60 is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. So 60 is equal to AB, I can write X plus BC is unknown plus AC is 25. So therefore BC is equal to 60 minus 25 minus X, that is equal to 35 minus X. So BC की value we got as 35 minus X. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem to connect all three sides. So we will write in triangle ABC, we can say AB square, that is X square, plus BC is 35 minus X whole square is equal to 25 square. Pythagoras theorem. So x square plus, here we can put a minus b whole square की identity. So a square is 35 into 35, 1225 minus 35 into 270 x plus x square, which is equal to 25. So we can say x square plus x square is 2x square minus 70x. This is 625, I guess. So you can write as plus 1225 minus 625, which is equal to 0. So therefore 2x square minus 70x plus 600 is equal to 0. Dividing throughout by 2, x square minus 35x plus 300 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the prime factor. This is middle term splitting part. You had done in factorization middle term splitting. You have to find the factor of 300 such that its plus minus should become 35. So 3 250s are 225s are, so 2 2s are 4, 4 3 are 12, 5 5s are 5 1s are. So let us make a pair of this. So if I am taking 5 into 3, 15, and remaining factor as 2 to the 4, 4 5s are 20. So 15 into 20 will become 300, and if I am taking minus 15 minus 20, so it will become minus 35. So we will split the middle term. X square minus 20x minus 15x plus 300, which is equal to 0. Taking out x common, x minus 20 minus 15 common, x minus 20 is equal to 0. So we will get x minus 20, x minus 15, that is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20 or x is equal to 15. Once you get this value, we can say if AB is 20, if you will see it on the diagram, if we can say AB as 20, so this will become 35 minus 20 as 15. Or if you are taking x as 15, then base will become 20. So it's of no difference. If you are taking 20 or 15, again answer you are getting same part. So now what we will do, we have to find area of triangle na? So we will write area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So we can write it down over here. So area, you can just show it off. Okay, if AB is 20, then BC is 15 centimeter. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So therefore area of triangle is equal to half into base is 20 into height is 15. So therefore area is equal to 10 into 15, which is equal to 150 centimeter square. Each of the equal sides of an isosceles triangle is 2 centimeter more than its height. Let's say ABC is an equilateral triangle. So in question it says each of the equal side is 2 centimeter more than its height. If height is x, this will become x plus 2. And if base is 12 centimeter, and we draw AD perpendicular to BC such that BD is equal to 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter. So now we can use a triangle ADB for Pythagoras. Everything has been represented on the diagram. Now we will take in triangle ADB. So by Pythagoras I can say AB square, that is hypotenuse, x plus 2 whole square is equal to x square plus 6 square. Pythagoras theorem. So that can become x square plus 2 to the 4x plus 4 is equal to x square plus 36. Just cancel out x square x square. 4x is equal to 32, so therefore x is equal to 8 centimeter. So therefore height is equal to 8 centimeter. Base is already 12, so we'll take area of triangle is equal to half into base 12 into height 8. So we can cancel out 2 ones are 2, 4s are 12, 4s are 48. 48 centimeter square. The altitude drawn to the base of isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter. Let's make a rough diagram. ABC Here altitude is given. Let's say AD is perpendicular to BC. This is 8 centimeter. The altitude is drawn to the on the base of the isosceles triangle is 8 centimeter and the perimeter is 32. Let equal sides we say as x and x. So as per the formula for perimeter, we will say 32 is equal to ABX plus ACX plus BC. So BC is equal to 32 minus 2x. Now that can be written as 2 common 16 minus x. If you want, you can write it this way. Now draw AD perpendicular to BC such that BD, therefore BD is equal to half BC. So therefore BD is equal to 2 in half into 2 into 16 minus x, that is equal to 16 minus x centimeter. So once you get x BD की value 16 minus x, we can take Pythagoras theorem to connect three sides in the shaded triangle. So we'll take in triangle ADB, x square is equal to 8 square plus 16 minus x whole square. This is Pythagoras. So we can write x square is equal to 64 plus 16 square is 256 minus 32x plus x square. We can cancel x square on both sides. So 32x you can shift, 32x is equal to 320, so therefore x is equal to 10 centimeter. So height as it is given, so we can find base. Base is 32 minus 2x, that is 32 minus 2 into 10, that is 32 minus 20, which is equal to 12 centimeter. Now we need to say, write area. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So that is half into base is 12 into height is 8. 2 ones are 6. 6 eights are 48 centimeter square. The base of a right angle triangle is 24 centimeter and its height is hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. You have to find area of triangle. So this is quite simple question. Here you have triangle ABC such that hypotenuse is 25 centimeter and base is 24 centimeter. You have to find AB. So we will take in triangle ABC. So we can say AB square plus 24 square is equal to 25 square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. So therefore AB square is equal to 625 minus 576, which is equal to 49. So therefore AB is equal to 7 centimeter. So once you get AB as 7 centimeter, we can find area of triangle. Half into base 24 into height 7. 2 ones are 2, 12s are 12 sevens are 84 centimeter square is equal to 84 centimeter square. The sides of the right angle triangle containing right angle are given by 5x centimeter and 3x minus 1 centimeter. So just make a right angle triangle and let us put values into it. You have to find the perimeter. So if I say this is 5x, So this is 3x minus 1. These two sides forms a right angle triangle. Its area is 60 centimeter, so I can write area, that is 60 is equal to half into base. Base is 3x minus 1 into height is 5x. So we have just substituted in formula. Cross multiply 60 into 2, 120, multiply bracket. You can multiply this bracket, 15x square minus 5x. So you can write 15x square minus 5x minus 120 is equal to 0. We can divide all terms by 5. It will become 3x square minus x minus 24 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize. Just multiply 23 into minus 24, that is minus 72. You have to find a factor of 72 such that you get 1 in between. The 9 8s are. So you can say minus 9 into plus 8 will give you minus 72, and minus 9 plus 8 will give you minus 1. So I can write 3x square minus 9x plus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. Taking out common, 3x x minus 3 plus 8 x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3, 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 equal to 0. See, this is the product of two numbers. So if you say product of two number is 0, then either number can be equal to 0. So putting bracket as 0, 3x plus 8 equal to 0. So therefore x will become 3, because minus 3 you can shift on other side, or you can write x is equal to minus 8 by 3. But sides are never negative, so this is not considered. You have to mention this, since length of the sides cannot be negative. X is 3. So we can find AB. So therefore AB is equal to 5x, that is 5 into 3, 15 centimeter. BC is 3x minus 1, that is 3 into 3 minus 1, which is 9 minus 1, 8 centimeter. Now we have to find hypotenuse, that we can find it out by Pythagoras theorem. So we can say AC square is equal to AB square, that is 15 square plus 8 square. AC square is equal to 225 plus 64, which is 289. So AC is equal to 17 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of triangle is equal to AB, that is 15 centimeter, plus BC, that is 8 centimeter, plus 17 centimeter. So adding up all, you will get 17 plus 8, 25, 30, 40. They are equal to 40 centimeter. Length of the two sides of a right angle triangle containing right angle differs by 2. So if we make a diagram of right angle triangle, we can consider one side as x, so another side can differ by 2. It can become x plus 2 or x minus 2. It can be anything. I'm just assuming a smaller side as base, so greater side can be x plus 2. So if you are assuming greater side as x, then smaller side can be x minus 2. That is up to you. You can, but area of triangle is given, so therefore 24 is equal to half into base is x into height is x plus 2. You can write 48 is equal to x square plus 2x. So therefore x square plus 2x minus 48 is equal to 0. So 48 ka prime factor, we have to split the middle term. 8 are 48. 8x minus 6x minus 48 equal to 0. If you have problem in middle term splitting, you can solve factorize fourth exercise again. So x minus 6, x plus 4, x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now product of two term is 0. See, I will just show you if xy is equal to 0, so we can say either x can be 0 or y can be 0. Any one of them is 0. So we have to mention that x minus 6 equal to 0 or x plus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 6 or x is equal to minus 8. Since negative is not possible, x cannot be negative, that you can write, since length of the sides of triangle cannot be negative, we will consider x is equal to 6. So once you get x6, so we can say base is equal to x, that is 6 centimeter, height is x plus 2, that is equal to 6 plus 2, which is equal to 8 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter, this is 8 centimeter. So we can find hypotenuse ABC. So we can easily find hypotenuse by taking triangle ABC. We can say AC square is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. This is Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to 64 plus 36, that is 100. So therefore AC is equal to 100 ka square root is 10 centimeter. So now perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides 8 plus 6 plus 10, that is equal to 24 centimeter. The difference between the sides of a right angle triangle containing right angle is 7 centimeter. Again same pattern question. So we will draw a right angle triangle in which I will take smaller side as x and greater side as x plus 7. This is x, this is x plus 7 centimeter. So we can use area formula. Area of triangle is 60 is equal to half into base is x into height is x plus 7. 60 to the 120 is equal to x square plus 7x. So x square plus 7x minus 120 is equal to 0. So factorizing 120 to 120 ka factor, you can find it out. It is 15 into 8. 15x minus 8x, which is 7x. See, this middle term splitting method. But we have right hand side as 0. So it becomes quadratic equation. We will take out common from first two and next two. So x plus 15 minus 8x plus 15, that is equal to 0. So we'll get x minus 8, x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 8 is equal to 0 or x plus 15 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to 8 or x is equal to minus 15. Since negative is not possible, we will consider x is equal to 8. So therefore base is equal to 8 centimeter and height is x plus 7, that is equal to 8 plus 7, which is 15 centimeter. Now we will find hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem for perimeter. So in triangle ABC, we can say AC square is equal to 15 square, that is height square plus base is 8 square. So AC square is equal to 225 plus 64. AC square is equal to 289. AC is equal to 17 centimeter. So therefore perimeter of triangle is equal to AB, that is 8 centimeter, sorry, AB is 15, 15 plus 8 plus 17, 30 to 40 centimeter. 29th, in triangle ABC, we can draw any triangle because they had not yet mentioned which triangle it is. ABC, acha, they had mentioned angle B is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. Angle A is 90 degree, so I can write BAC. This is 90 degree. Find where AC is given as 20 centimeter, AB is given as 15 centimeter. So first you need to find area of triangle. AB is given and AC is given. So first you need to find area of triangle ABC. So I will find first part I will find area of triangle ABC. So that is equal to half into AB into BC, AB into AC. So therefore area is equal to half into AB is 15 into 20, that is 15 into 10. You can cancel out 2 and 2 ones are 2 tens are. So therefore area is equal to 150 centimeter square. Now find the length AD if AD is perpendicular to BC. So this is perpendicular to BC. So we have to, in short, we have to find height AD which corresponds to base BC. So first we will find base BC using Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, BC square is equal to 15 square plus 20 square. Pythagoras theorem. So therefore BC square is equal to 225 plus 400, that is equal to 625. So therefore BC is equal to 25 centimeter. So if you say BC is 25 centimeter, so we can say area of triangle, this is second part. Area of triangle ABC ko you can write it as half into base BC corresponding to the height AD. The area of triangle to we got as 150, that is equal to half into BC is 25 into AD is height. So therefore 150 into 2 is 300 is equal to 25 AD. So therefore AD will become 300 upon 25, which is equal to 12 centimeter. AD is 12 centimeter. Now you have to find area of triangle ABD. You have to find area of this triangle. So if you will see, we know two sides of a triangle. We know 15, we know 12. So first we will find BD by Pythagoras theorem. So we can say hypotenuse is AB. So we'll say in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, we can say AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. So AB square is 15 square. Let us draw diagram again. We have BAC and AD is perpendicular to BC. So AD we got as 12 centimeter. This is 15 centimeter. So if we are finding BD, so I can easily find area of triangle ADB by taking half into base into height. So 15 square is hypotenuse, which is equal to AD is 12 square plus BD square, we don't know. 225 minus 144 is equal to BD square. So BD square is equal to 81. So therefore BD is equal to 9 centimeter. So now area of triangle ADB is equal to half into, this is 9 centimeter, half into base BD into height AD. So we can cancel out 2 ones are 2 6 are, so 9 6 are, it is 54 centimeters square. The given figure diagram is given. ABC is an equilateral triangle. If you will see, this triangle forms an equilateral triangle of each side 10 centimeter. PBC is a right angle triangle at P, in which PC is again given. White unshaded triangle, find the area of shaded. So simple है. First we will find area of an equilateral triangle ABC. Area of equilateral triangle ABC, that is equal to root 3 by 4 into 10 square. So therefore area is equal to root 3 by 4 into 100, that is 25 root 3, that is equal to 25 into 1.732. So therefore area is equal to 25 multiplying 43.3 centimeter square. Now we will find third side, this perpendicular side of right angle triangle by Pythagoras. We'll say in triangle BPC, 10 is hypotenuse, 10 square is equal to 8 square plus BP square. Pythagoras theorem. So 100 minus 64 is equal to BP square. So therefore BP is equal to 36 ka square root, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is now 6 centimeter. So area of triangle BPC is equal to half into base 6 into height 8. So 2 ones are 2, 4s are 6, 4s are 24 centimeter square. So shaded area is equal to area of equilateral triangle 43.3 minus 24, that is equal to 19.3 centimeter square. Board question. In the given figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which the given measurements are there. AB is 16 as it is given on the diagram. This part is AB. Let me draw it with red. AB is 16. BC is 12. Obviously, if AC is not given, you can find it out by Pythagoras theorem. That's not a big deal. Then AD is 21 and DC is 29. You have to find, and one of the angle is 90 given. You have to first find area of triangle ABC. So first we will find area of triangle ABC by taking half into base into height, because it is a right angle triangle. Half into 16 into 12, that is we can cancel out 2 ones are 2, 8s are 8 into 12, 12 8s are 96 centimeter square. And next triangle may we have all three sides given. If you can see, I'm talking about this triangle. Next question may be how to find the area of triangle ACD. We can use Heron's formula. In this, I can take one of the side as 20 centimeter, another side as 21 centimeter, and third side as 29 centimeter. So to find Hero's area of triangle by Heron's formula, we have to find semi-perimeter, that is 20 plus 21 plus 29, divide by 3, 50, 60, 70, sorry, divide by 2, semi, 70 by 2, which is 35 centimeter. So now we will find area of triangle, that is square root of 35 into 35 minus 20 into 35 minus 21 into 35 minus 29. So therefore area of triangle will be 35 into 15 into 14 into 6. You can now split into small prime numbers. 35 can be written as 5 into 7, 5 into 3, 7 into 2, 2 into 3. So now let us make a pair. 2 and 2, you can remove it as 2, then 7, then 5, then 3. So 7 2s are 14, 14 5s are 70, 70 into 3, 210 centimeter square. This is the second part. Now third part, maybe we want area of quadrilateral ABCD. So obviously we will add both triangles. So area of ABCD is equal to area of small triangle, area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So that is equal to 96 plus 210, that is equal to 306 centimeter square. Find the altitude and the area of an isosceles triangle whose perimeter is given as 64 and base is given as 24 centimeter. So we can draw a triangle ABC such that this is 24 and equal sides we can say as x. We have to find area and the perimeter. So we can say perimeter, that is 64, which is equal to x plus 24. So 2x is equal to 64 minus 24, which is 40. So therefore x is 20 centimeter. So we got two equal sides, 20 and 20. Now we can find altitude first. तो altitude के लिए we will draw BD perpendicular to AD perpendicular to BC such that BD is equal to DC is equal to 12 centimeter. For an isosceles triangle, altitude divides the base. So now we will say this is 12. So by Pythagoras theorem, we can say 20 square is equal to 12 square plus h square. Pythagoras theorem, 400 minus 144 is equal to h square. So therefore h square is equal to 256. Therefore h is equal to 16 centimeter. So therefore we can say altitude is equal to 16 centimeter. Now we can find area of triangle. is equal to half into base is 24 into height is 16. We can cancel out 2 ones are 2 12s are. So you can say 12 into 16. 12 into 6 is 72, 7, 19, 192 centimeters square. So therefore area of triangle is equal to 192 centimeters square.